We're going to show you how to post content now. It's really simple. First thing we're going to do is show you what to do in Word when you're actually creating your content to make it right, and then show you how to put it on the site. I have a document here already. This is one of Liz Lewis's Ask Liz documents. First thing we'd like you to do is make sure that you're using a specific font. If you can do that, it just makes life a lot easier for us. It's very simple to do. You just select all your content. I just did that with the keyboard command and format font. What we're asking you to use is a font called Verdana, which is pretty standard on Macs, I know, and I think on most PCs. Verdana, regular, 12 point. Okay, that's it. Okay, now you can see when we did that, it changed everything else. What we need to do now is go through and take anything that's a subhead and bold it. You should, if you start out by creating your content in that font and everything, you won't have to go back and redo this. It'll already be done for you. The thing I want to show you before we leave Word, and this is a really powerful thing that should help you guys a lot. We are asking everybody to put your bio at the end of the piece. Bios we always put in italics. Okay. Now Word has the capability of adding hyperlinks right into the text, and if we do that, it will hold when we put it onto the website. So in this case, I am copying. The thing I need to do is mark the text that I want the hyperlink to be. Sorry about that. So mark the text, go to hyperlink, and it'll come up. You'll see display. It already has the words that I picked, and I just paste her URL in there and hit OK. And you can see that changes to a link. If we were to click on it, it will go right to her site. And at the bottom, we would like everybody to put a sentence that says, for more from your name and the rest of the L2P team, go to L2PBandspace.com or L2PNet.com. I'll show you why later on when we get into the social network. That'll actually be on a separate video. So in this case, we're going to copy that and mark it and go to insert hyperlink. And it says L2PBandspace.com. We link to, oops, I screwed that up, www.L2PBandspace.com. Okay, and hit OK. And now that has become a link. Same thing with L2PNet.com. Just mark it. Go to format, to insert hyperlink. The text is already there, and we just put www.L2PNet.com. Okay? Again, hit OK, and that has become a link. Okay? Save it. Now, before you leave here, select all your text and copy it. Okay, you can do that with menu commands or keyboard commands, whatever works for you. I'm sorry about the screaming sound in the background. That's my bird. Okay, now go to the website. You can see you're on the front page, L2PNet.com. You're going to go to a little different address, and you will probably want to bookmark this. The address you want is L2PNet.com/node/add. Okay, and then hit enter, and it'll take you here. Now you're on the back end, and this is where we create content. Before you can do anything, you'll have to put in your username and password. In this case, I'm not using my administrator password. I am using my trusted user username, so you guys will see everything just like you'll see it when you do it. Now you log in. And here's our create content page. Everything that you guys do is going to be a story. Don't worry about the other ones right now. We'll get into those later if you'd like, but for right now, it's just a story. So you put up story, give it a title, In this case, we call this Ask Liz. And it's filling it in for me because I've already done this once. I put Ask Liz, I put the date, and you'll see I also put her byline here in the title. The reason for that is we have a byline module that is supposed to drop down. You have a drop down menu and you'll be able to choose your byline. It's not working yet. We're working on it. As soon as we get that together, then you'll be able to do that. But for right now, just make sure you put your name in the title, okay? We're going to pass up this next stuff for right now and show you how to actually put in your text. You just scroll down. You'll get to a part that says body. Right here, there's an icon with a little W on it. That is paste from Word. If you click on this, you get another box, and you just use whatever keyboard command you generally use to paste the copy that you have copied from Word, okay, and paste it in, okay, and then you hit OK, and that's it. And you'll see that everything's formatted. The stuff that's supposed to be bold is bold. The stuff that's supposed to be italic is italic. And down at the bottom are hyperlinks. Okay. A couple other little things to do before you're done. Up above this, where it says vocabularies here, I don't want you to touch hardly anything. Basically, all I want you to do is click on this thing here that says new. That's it. This is where we decide how things appear and where they appear on the website. By clicking new, it will put it into a what's new area on the start page, which is being put up to. If you want to put tags, those are like keywords. In this one, maybe vocals, vocal training, and we'll put Liz's name. Okay, and helps to spell it. Sorry, Liz. That helps search engines find things if somebody puts in one of those search terms. Okay, last thing we want to do is add a thumbnail. Actually, there's two things. Sorry. Add a thumbnail so it has a pretty picture when people see the thing on the front page. Up here it says some thumbnail and it says add image. Click on that and you get this geeky little box. I wish it weren't so geeky looking, but it is. With a list of all of the images that are already on the server. If your image is not up there, if you have a picture of yourself that you want to use, which is what we're suggesting for you guys to use, then you would click upload, and it will allow you to choose a file from your computer and then upload it. Click on the medium 120 by 120, okay? In this case, we don't have to do that because Liz's is already here. It's right there, Liz new. Pick it, and if you upload something, you'll do the same thing. Whatever you upload should appear as the last thing in this list, okay? So we pick it, we see a nice picture here, and we add image to IMCE image, which is the module we use for adding images, okay? Terminology is a little geeky, but it's easy. Okay, we click on that, and now it has added it to our thing. It's all there, okay? Last thing we need to do is create what we call the teaser, which is the little bit of copy that people see when they go to the index page that gets them to click on the rest of it. For something like this, we're going to use the very first question, but not the answer, okay? So people click on it to get the answer. For most of you guys, it'll be the first paragraph or first couple of sentences of whatever you're writing. Doing it couldn't be easier. You place the cursor at the end of where you want the teaser. You come up here to where it says teaser, and you click on it. That's it. You're done. If you want to see how it looks, go all the way to the bottom, hit preview. It will show you what it's going to look like on the website as soon as it loads. Okay, this is what the preview is going to look like down here. It has Liz's picture, and it has that first question, and it shows the tags that have been assigned to it. And then down underneath is the full version. So at that point, you're done. You scroll to the very bottom, and you hit save. And that's it. You'll notice it has a stupid name at the top. We're asking when you get done with posting something that you please email me and Bob and let us know what you have emailed and put that URL in the email so we know exactly where to go, because we can go in and change the URL and make it something that doesn't look so stupid. Okay? Again, everybody, thanks for hanging in with us on this. Bye.